Hi everyone, I'd like to introduce you to another calculator game. Once again, a great tool to use in the classroom and one that I really encourage kids to have lots of access to a lot of the time. This one's called Count Up or Count Down. Very basic, and once again you can modify this to suit all age levels by increasing the range of numbers that you are using, the starting points, and whether you count forwards or backwards and so on. So basically it's a game for two players. I'll just clear my screen here. So they can choose a number to start counting to. Like I might just say, for example, I've got a younger grade, for example, and we're going to be the first one to get to 20. So that's going to be our starting point. So, and we have to press in either 1, 2 or 3. And the player who lands on the target number is the winner. So player 1, we share the same calculator by the way. Player 1 says 1 plus 1 equals, and you'll see on the screen we've got 2. And player 2 takes their turn. They can add a 1, a 2 or 3. They're going to say plus 3 equals. And there's the answer 5. Back to the other person. They don't clear the screen. They go plus 2 equals 7. Back to the other person. Plus 1 equals up to 8. Let's speed this up. Plus 3 equals up to 11. The next person goes plus 3 equals up to 14, and as you can see now we're getting closer to the target number of 20. So this is where it gets a bit strategic. At the start you'll find that the kids might just do random numbers, but at this point we'd like them to start developing that strategic thinking. So they could go for older numbers. I'll just fix my screen here a bit, excuse me. So they could go to bigger numbers, and instead of adding 1, 2 or 3 they might have a range of successive numbers such as, or consecutive numbers, 6, 7 or 8 or 3, 4, 5. It doesn't have to be 1, 2 or 3. You might like to make your target number higher, first to 100, first to 50 and so on. You could also go backwards, start at 50, first one or the one who gets to go to 0, subtracting 8, 7 or 6, or subtracting 3, 2 or 1. Change of variety. Another way of doing it too for the younger ones, you could also, if you didn't have the calculator handy, which I'm trying to plug, have the calculators, they could just use it on a hundreds chart or 120 chart or a 200 chart and move counters along as they go. They can move the counter 1, 2 or 3, and whoever lands on the target number last is the winner. But experiment with it. It's a great one for predicting, and even saying to the kids, if you add 3 to this number, where will you be? If you add 4, what will your next number be? A lot of prediction and calculating there too. So that's called Count Up or Count Down. Give it a try. Hope you like it.